Dad. Good morning. How are you today?
I'm good, Dan.
I hope you are very well. Thank you for coming in this moment. Today, I want to present about wujud benda dan perubahannya. There are three forms of object. Namely, the first object is a gas, is a solid object, and the second object is a liquid object. The third object is a gas object. Solid objects have a fixed shape and volume. For example, there are tables, book, pencil, and stone. Apart from that, there are many examples of objects around us. For example, there are bag, table, bag, chair, cupboard, door, window, and so on. These are examples of solid objects. All objects that have a shape and volume are still solid objects. The second one, liquid objects. Liquid objects are objects whose shape always changes according to the container. For example of liquid objects, the first is water, soy sauce, and oil. This liquid object shape always changes according to the container. For if water is poured into a glass, the shape will resemble a glass. And if water is poured into a bottle, the shape will also resemble a bottle. Like soy sauce and oil. If soy sauce is poured into a bowl, the shape will resemble a bowl. And oil is poured into a glass, the shape will resemble a glass. These are other examples of liquid objects. There are syrup, spirit, and all liquid objects that can be poured and changed according to the container are liquid objects. The last one, gas object. Gas object cannot be touched, but we can feel them. For example, the air in a balloon is a gas object, and the wind that we feel also a gas object. Like the wind from the fan, it is also a gaseous object. We cannot see this gaseous object, we cannot touch it, but we can feel them. The volume of the gaseous object also changes its shape, also changes according to its location. Change the form of an object into another form. Is influenced by several factors, namely temperature, quantity, and size of the object. Now we will discuss about the change of an object. The first one, melting. Melting is a change of an object from solid to liquid. Usually, object can melt by high temperature. For example, ice cube is put in the air will turn into water. The second one, freezing. Freezing is a change of an object from liquid to solid. The event of freezing is influenced by several temperature factors. For example, if water is put in the freezer. The last one, evaporation. Evaporation is a change of an object from liquid to gas. The event of evaporation is influenced by hot temperature. For example, when we boil water, steam will appear in the air. That's all about my presentation today. Thank you for your attention.